Hello Ved, what are you doing? You're trying to lift a car. How are you going to lift a car? Oh, who is lifting a car? My God, where the car is hooked up with? Ved? Ved, where is the car? Oh, what we call it? It is called what? Oh my goodness. You're lifting up the car. Can you lift up the car? It is so heavy. Show me how you're going to lift. Wow, Ved is lifting a car. Show me once again. Show me how you're lifting a car. My God, Ved is lifting a car. How you can lift the car? How you can lift the car? Lift it again. Oh my God. How you lift the car? What is the science behind that, Vedansh?
1 minute.
Vedansh, what is the science?
The pulley.
The pulleys. Come over here. Come over here. Come over here. Where are the pulleys? Tell me, where is the pulley? Where? Over there. Where? The yellow one. Where it is? The yellow one. Pulley and the? Pulley and what? Pulley and what? Pulley and the torque. What is the torque? From there to here it is called torque. You know how much is the weight of the car with?
No.
It is around 500 kg. So much of weight. And you can just lifting up is very easily. Wow. Oh my God. Oh my God. Can we do both? Both of us do.
Yes.
Let's do 1, 2, and here we go lifting the car. Oh, we lift the car up. Wow. You are lifting whole car up. Wow.
Let's go in the speed.
Oh, Vedansh, what are you doing? Ting, 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 ting. Go there. Can you make some music out of it?
Yeah.
Why it is making sound like this? Can you see? Can you just tell me the size of these bars are same or different? All bar size are same or different? Tell me. Different. Because of that only they are making different voice.
Yes.
Because the size of the bar are different. Which is the smallest one? That is the smallest one. And which is the biggest one? Come over here. This is the biggest one. And how the biggest one is making noise? Hard noise. And the smaller one make which noise? Smooth noise. What is this?
A spider web.
Spider web. Are you going to climb on the spider web? Oh my God, the way he is climbing on the spider web. Are you sure you will be able to do this?
No.
Yes, you can do it. You can do it, I think. Slowly, slowly you can go. You become a web. Oh my God, the Spider-Man. Curious VED is a Spider-Man. Or else leave. Or you want to go? Okay. Bye-bye. A web. Spider is going. The Curious VED. What is that? One by one we'll do. One by one. Go right inside. Come. Come over here. Come over. What is this? What is this? Come. Hey, what is this? So funny. I think something is written over here. What is written? Let's read it. Mobius band. Mobius band is what? Walk around the band by holding the rails. Observe that you will come back to the same spot after traveling both sides of the band. In normal band, you can walk around either the inner side or the outer side. Mobius band is very special figure in which you can walk along both the side. Okay, let's do it. How you are going to do it? Go, walk around.
I can't do it.
When you'll go like this will come back on the same position. That is called Mobius band. You won't be able to do this.
This is for army.
This is for you also can do, but you need to hang around. You have to hang up, goal, goal, goal like that. Come down.
I can do it.
You can do what? How many colors are there in this? Can you tell me which all color?
Rainbow.
Which all color? Which all color? Tell me the name of the colors. This is blue color. Tell me from the blue color. Start.
Blue.
Blue,
Purple.
purple,
Purple.
purple, red,
Orange.
yellow,
Yellow. Green. All blue. Purple. Purple. Red. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Purple. Red. Orange. Yellow. Green. And blue.
Wow. Can I take a picture of your one? Look here. Look here.
You can see. Looking.
Where are the pulleys? Tell me where are the pulleys? Where is the pulley?
There's the
This is pulley number 1, pulley number 2. Look up, look up. Pulley number 1, pulley number 2, pulley number 3. What is the use of pulley? You can lift a big weight. See, oh my God, Vedansh is lifting a big weight. Oh my God. Slowly, slowly. Don't rush around. See, 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 see. You are lifting a big weight with the help of pulley. See. Oh my God. Ved is lifting a big weight with the help of pulley. See. Wait, wait. Hold tight. Hold tight. How many rounds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 rounds. And in this pulley, how many rounds are there? 1, 2, and 3. In this pulley, how many rounds are there? 2. So which is the hard? See, which one is the hardest? 2. 2 is the hard. See, it is very hard to pull. Look over here. Now try to pull. It is very hard. Oh, very hard. It is very hard to pull. The 2 pulleys. Is it? Right? Is it hard or slow?
slow.
So let's do next one. We are having how many pulleys? How many rounds? 3 rounds. Oh my God! It is, you are not able to do it. This is also pulley.
They're not working.
I think it is working. See, it is working. See, this is also pulley. Because oh, Vedansh is lifting the weight. Wow. So what we have learned? Give me a picture. Come over here. I want to take picture. Oh, this is also pulley. Come over here.
Papa, look, look, Papa. Make it again up.
Stay away. Stay away. Stay away. Wow, it's going up. What we call it? We call it who win the race. What is difference in this? The circle which is rotating. Yes, wait. Slowly, slowly. See it is coming up, coming down. Oh, 1. Hey man, come. That is, these are coming. See, 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 see. See, this is coming towards you. There we go. Ved, can you tell me why few are running fast and other are running slow? Because of what? Because of what?
I don't know.
See, because of, you can see this weight over here.
Yes.
This is one weight over here. Here the weight is on. Where the weight? Show me the weight. Let's check out. Where is the weight over here? On the edge, right? Here where is the weight? In the middle. And there where is the weight?
In the middle.
In the corner, no, in the center, right? So which will run fast? Come over here. This will run fast, this will run fast, or this will run fast. Let's check. Oh, let's go. Oh, which is running fast? This. So weight is on the perimeter or on the edges, run fast, right? Understood? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Okay, what?
Yes, that is moss. Oh, you are showing in moss. Wow. Can I take picture? One. Look over here. This with inclined plane. What is that? Inclined plane. Oh, so you are lifting a pulley again. It is also a pulley. See, pulley 1, pulley down. Curious VED is pulling up the weight. Oh my God, what are you doing? You have to lift it like from here. See, weight is coming over here. It's going down, 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 down. Let's do it again. Can you read it? Observe an inclined plane with 20 kg on a trolley in 10 kg hanging with rope on the other side. Please note that 10 kg is tied to the trolley. Also note that 20 kg being heavier is at the bottom. Inclined plane is a simple machine used for lifting heavy weights. In ancient time, this was used to shift heavy mass from ground level to required height, especially while building a temples or building some pyramids and all. They use such inclined planes. What is this? It's locked. You cannot go anywhere. It's locked. Just want to sit around. It is called rotate and lift. Rotate and lift. It is like a big snake. Oh, which all color are there in that snake? Come. The bird sound. Why are they getting scared? Hello birds. Some noise is coming from up. The birds are, I think the birds are getting scared.
Why?
I don't know why. Ved, I think these are dynamo. You can see the light will blink. Rotate it fast, rotate it fast. Rotate, rotate. Is it working or no? Let me try it. Not working. Where you are going? Let's talk. A big pipe to talk. A long, long, long pipe. Hello. 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 Hello, Ved, can you listen to me? Oh, so we are communicating with the big pipe. Hello, sir. Why are you sitting over here? What's your name? My name is... What's his name? Hey, he's talking with you. Can you have some discussion with him or what? Don't do that. Don't play around with him. Let him sit and enjoy, relax. Say bye-bye. Rotate it. Rotate it fast. What happened? See, like this. Now if you're rotating, it seems like that parrot is inside the cage. What happened? Show me.
Yeah, I got all.
Climb up. Climb up. Put the ball up. Go, go, go. Keep moving. Keep moving. Keep moving. Go, 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 go. Keep moving. The ball. Which color ball it is?
Orange.
Is it orange or yellow? Put up. Put up. Here you go. Your ball star. Ding, 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 ding. It's coming to you. Here you go. Here it is. Now you take red color ball. Ting, ting, ting. Which color ball it is?
Red.
Red. And which all color of this metal pipes, beta?
Yellow.
Blue, green, yellow, blue, red. Let's go. Ved, what is this?
Yeah.
These are all gears. Which is the big gear? In your hand, the small gear is down. And what is this? This is belt motion. This is gear motion. You can see the belt. There's a conveyor belt on the pulleys, and these are all pulleys. One, pulley two, and that is the big pulley. See, there are different gears also like this. With the help of the gear, you can lift anything. See, it is so heavy. You can help lift it round, 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 round. Hourglass. An hourglass is a device used to measure the time. Can you see this? Is it working? See, you can see the sand over there inside. Now, how much time it takes sand to come down? Nothing is coming. It's blocked. You are seeing the pulleys. This is what? A plane. See, wait. This is plane pulley. You can see in the same surface. This is plane pulley. Big pulley, small pulley. This is also a plane pulley. You can see. Don't touch. Don't touch. You can see. This is a plane pulley on the same surface. Now let's check another pulley. This is what? This is pulleys of 90 degree. What? Circular. See, you are lifting the weight with this pulley. With the help of pulley, you are lifting the weight. This is like this. Listen to me. Like this, it has two pulley like this. 1 and 2. Here we have one pulley. This is also a pulley. This is also a kind of gears with. See, this is gears. You can see this? Gears. In the car, we have like that gear. In all the vehicles and machines, we have the gear. So you are with this pulley, with this gear is also rotating. And which gear you are touching? You are touching this gear, no? With. You are touching this gear and this gear is rotating. Why? Because they are connected. And here also, you are touching this gear and this gear is rotating. Wow.
Can we talk from there?
No, it is not working, I think.
It is. Are you going
Hello.
Hello.
Can you listen to me? Hello. Wow, it's a magic. Hello, hello, Curious VED. Hello. I'm fine. How are you? I love you.
Hello.
Hello. What is this, VED? It's like a magic hut. From behind, from front, it looks like a hut. And from the back side, there is nothing. Yes. From the back side, there is nothing.
They have come from the.
They all are school kids. They came for a outing with whole class. How you came with Papa for the outing, no? They came for the outing with whole class. See, they all enjoying. Two buses that came together. Let's stand here. It seems like you are standing outside the hut. See? Come to the corner. Hello. Is this your house? Curious VED.